We have some breaking news about the coronavirus, where the Centers for Disease Control has issued new guidance saying quarantine time after possible exposure can be shortened from 14 days to 10 or even 7 days. This as Governor Ralph Northam is set to provide his first update on the impacts of COVID-19 in the Commonwealth since the Thanksgiving holiday. This as the United Kingdom has just become the first country in the world to approve a vaccine for the virus. CBS 6's Cameron Thompson will be at today's briefing this afternoon and joins us live now with a preview. Cameron?
Yeah, and Cheryl, Governor Ralph Northam's office says that he will not be announcing any new COVID-19 restrictions today, but will instead be focused on in this briefing about the state's plan to roll out the eventual COVID-19 vaccine. Now, on the restriction front, his spokesperson says that it is too early to tell what sort of impact the statewide restrictions that were announced back in mid-November have had on slowing the spread of the virus here in Virginia, and also what, if any, sort of response may be needed to a post-Thanksgiving surge. Now, they have also said that the other options still are on the table, including future restrictions, because they say that while they are having a better per capita case rate than other states, there are other metrics that are concerning, such as hospitalizations and percent positivity. That latter rate now at 8.3%. Back in early October, it was below 5%. Now, as to the vaccine front, next week there is a hearing scheduled with federal regulators for one of the two earliest candidates from drug maker Pfizer. And just today, actually, the United Kingdom signed off on emergency use authorization for that drug. And earlier this week, the state's epidemiologist briefed lawmakers on what the state's plan will be, saying that they are expecting to get some early shipments of the vaccine by mid-December. And once they are in hand, they'll give priority to healthcare workers and staff and residents of long-term care facilities. That plan falls in line with a recommendation from a panel of advisors for the CDC that was announced yesterday. Working for you, the state capitol, Cameron Thompson, CBS 6 News.